In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more charts to your dashboard in Insightly. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly customize your dashboards with the exact charts and visuals you need. By the end, you'll know how to add new dashboard items like report graphs and cards, and you'll understand the key limitations to watch out for along the way. First, start on the main Insightly screen and look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, find and click on Dashboards. This is where all of your dashboards live, including both standard dashboards that come with Insightly and any custom dashboards you or your team have created. Now, it's important to know that you can only edit custom dashboards. Standard, out-of-the-box dashboards are locked, so you won't be able to add charts to those. So, from the list of dashboards, select a custom dashboard that you want to modify. If you don't see one, you may need to create a custom dashboard first, or switch to one your team has already set up. Once you've opened your custom dashboard, look for the Actions menu, usually located near the top of the dashboard. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down, choose Edit Dashboard. This puts the dashboard into edit mode, which allows you to change its layout and add new items. With the dashboard now in edit mode, you'll see an option to add content. Click on Add Dashboard Item. This is where you decide what kind of element you want to bring into your dashboard, such as visual charts or summary blocks. When the Add Dashboard Item options appear, you'll be able to choose between different item types. For charts and visual reports, select Report Graph. This is ideal if you already have reports created in Insightly that you want to visualize on your dashboard. If you're looking for more compact informational blocks, you can choose Card instead. Cards are great for key metrics or quick snapshots, like counts or summary values. After selecting either Report Graph or Card, configure any required settings if prompted, then click Save. Insightly will add the new item to your dashboard layout. From there, you can usually drag and resize the item to fit your preferred arrangement. That's all there is to it. By using a custom dashboard, entering edit mode, and adding a report graph or card, you can quickly expand your Insightly dashboard with the charts and visuals that matter most to you and your team.